How to fix Windows can't find one of the files in this theme error. 1. Change your theme. 2. Delete the theme from %winder%\resources\themes. 3. Disable your screensaver. 4. Disable themes in. Sync your settings. Restart your computer later. 5. Change your THME in Windows Clean Boot, then remove any troublesome programs using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 6. Run System File Checker as admin. Commands are, dism.exe, /online/cleanup image/restore health sfc/scanoplan b, reset reinstall Windows.